Okay, so last week we've been talking about solving quadratics using the quadratic formula. There's times when we might have simpler quadratics that don't really require the quadratic formula. And so all we would need to do is just solve them. So the first thing that we need to remember is that whenever we take the square root of something, let's say we're going to take the square root of 9. The square root of 9 would be 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. But what we can assume is that it could either be positive or negative because if you do positive 3 squared, that's equal to 9. But if you also do positive negative 3 squared, that's negative 3 times negative 3 is also a positive 9. So we can assume that it could either be positive or negative. So in the first example here, let's say we are going to go ahead and solve that equation. So all we would really need to do is take the square root of both sides to be able to solve that. So x is going to be equal to the square root of 32. Now we can simplify that by splitting it into square root of 16 and square root of 2 because 16 times 2 is equal to 32. If we take the square root of 16, that would be 4 square root of 2. Now we would have two answers because remember, it could either be positive or it could be negative. So your two answers are going to be positive 4 square root of 2 and negative 4 square root of